Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're talking about a product that promises to redefine your lip game. COVERGIRL Exhibitionist Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Risky Business. If you're a fan of a bold, long-lasting matte lip without the dryness, this might just be the one you've been looking for. First things first, let's talk about what makes this lipstick stand out. It's got that ultra matte finish we all know and love, but with a major twist. No cracking or flaking, even as the day goes on. We've all experienced matte lipsticks that end up feeling like they're drying out your lips, but that's not the case here. In fact, COVERGIRL claims it can instantly boost your lip moisture by up to 40%. Now that's a serious promise. This lipstick also boasts transfer-proof and waterproof properties, which is a huge deal if you're someone who's tired of constantly touching up your lips. Whether you're sipping your morning coffee, having lunch, or chatting away with friends, this one stays put. I've been testing this lipstick for a few days now, and I'll admit I was curious to see if it lived up to all the claims. The application is smooth, and the color payoff is intense, giving your lips that matte finish without feeling too heavy or uncomfortable. And that moisture boost? Absolutely noticeable. My lips felt nourished throughout the day, which is rare for a matte lipstick. Even after a few hours of wear, I didn't notice any cracking, which is always a win in my book. Now, of course, no product is perfect. While the color stayed true and didn't budge, I did find that the formula could be a little more forgiving in terms of texture. If you have dry patches on your lips, it might cling to those areas. So prepping your lips with a bit of lip balm beforehand can make a difference if you're looking for a flawless finish. But overall, the lipstick delivered on its promise of comfort and longevity. In terms of value, this lipstick is definitely worth the price. You're getting a high-performance formula that lasts and feels comfortable on the lips, making it a great addition to your makeup collection. When you compare it to other matte lipsticks on the market, especially ones with similar claims of hydration and transfer resistance, I'd say this one holds its own. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are a few options out there. But if you're after something with that exact combination of comfort and staying power, it might be hard to find one that's as effective at this price point. The packaging is sleek and sturdy, and the lipstick itself feels like a high-quality product. I'm impressed with how well it held up throughout the day, and it didn't wear off unevenly, which is a common issue with matte lipsticks. It's one of those products that proves you don't have to break the bank for a reliable, long-lasting lipstick. If you're someone who values hydration in a matte lipstick, but doesn't want to sacrifice performance, I think this would work really well for you. Whether you're heading to work, a night out, or just want a lipstick that stays on while you eat, this product does what it says. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In conclusion, COVERGIRL's Exhibitionist Ultra Matte Lipstick in Risky Business is a strong contender in the matte lipstick category. With its comfortable feel, high color payoff, and staying power, it's a great choice for anyone who wants a bold lip that can keep up with their day. It may not be 100% flawless, but for the price and performance, it's definitely a lipstick worth trying. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to purchase the product in the description box below. If you've used this lipstick, drop a comment and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.